Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing another first impression video. And today we are testing out this Becca Liquified highlighter. This is their Becca Ignite Liquified Light Highlighter, and this is in the shade Strength. Once you take it out of the packaging, this is what it looks like. It's very beautiful. So this is a face and body highlighter, which is nice because I might try it on my face, but I'm really going to be trying it on my body. We are still living in coronavirus times and nobody's traveling anywhere. So to mimic that, you know, sun-kissed, glowing, bronzy, shimmery look, I'm going to, what is this area? Your décolletage, that's what it's called, and then put it on my shoulders as well. So we're gonna try it out there, and then for funsies, I might even put it on my face. Just to give you guys a little bit of background information about the product. You're getting 1.5 fluid ounces in this bottle. It's a very pretty bottle. This is actually, it's heavy. It feels good. It feels good in the hands, feels just like it has substantial weight. This feels like a glass bottle. Could be wrong, but it has this chrome top. It's in this like glass bottle, and then you guys can see the product all throughout the bottle. On the bottom, of course, they have the name of the shade, and that 1.5 fluid ounces does retail for $38. You can find it at Ulta, on Becca's website, as well as on Sephora's website. In total, there are 5 shades that come in this liquified highlighter line. This is formulated for all skin types, so normal, combination, dry, and oily. Everybody, all of the above, you can use this. It's said to have a radiant finish, and it has light coverage. Some of the highlighter ingredients are sunflower oil and vitamin E that are meant to nourish the skin, as well as moisturize and visibly soften the skin. All right, so we're just gonna dive right in. I am going to pin my hair back. So when it comes out, it's like this nice liquidy gold color, and I'm just gonna tap it, tap in. So it does have a fragrance to it. It smells like a mocha caramel type of scent, and that is a lot. I didn't need that much right there. I can definitely, ooh, that is a lot. Definitely didn't need that much there. Like how it looks on camera, like I look like I'm a golden statue. That's what it looks like in real life. So you definitely should start small, and then see, that looks kind of patchy. That doesn't look bad. In the chest here, we're still working. I'm gonna have to take this off and then start over. This looks like the statue's body paint, and it definitely transfers. It just transferred onto my other hand, just lightly brushing past. So I would recommend wearing like a strapless maxi dress or something like that. Ooh, that is super shimmery, very pigmented, so that's a positive. We're just gonna go ahead and take that off. So definitely a little bit goes a long way. Very good to know that it's very pigmented, and I mean, you see this big bottle, that's gonna last you a long time. All right, let's try this once more. All right, so I did a little baby drop. You guys can see that. So we're gonna try it on this side. That's much better. This is working out much better. It's a more controlled environment. This looks good. Still super pigmented, but not as statuey. I'm like trying to figure out my angles, like which way do I need to rotate my arms so the light can hit just right. I'm pretty sure there's some Bath and Body Works candle that smells exactly like this. And this way, in person, it's very, very shimmery. So you can definitely go in and build this up to whatever intensity that you want, but I'm going to stop right there, and then maybe once the two sides are even, then I will layer it and make it better. But for right now, that's more than enough. Definitely hit the collarbones, give those guys some love. Very pretty, like super just shimmery, sun-kissed, just went to the beach. I like it. Now to tackle this side again. All right, so we're back. I finished blending it everywhere. It's on this arm. You guys can see, pow, it's in your face, shiny. It's on the décolletage area. Nice, subtle shine, not attracting too much attention, just enough. And then also it's on this side. I just blended a little bit, but it's still, hold on. It looks good. I really do like it. It just has a very perfumey scent, so I feel like that's gonna mix with my actual scent that I normally wear on a day-to-day basis. But I mean, that's not really a big deal. It doesn't smell bad, but to everybody this scent might not smell good. I don't mind it. So definitely another a little bit goes a long way product. I definitely recommend working in small little spurts. Work with small amounts first and then build up to the coverage that you want. Don't start with a lot because it gets real dramatic real fast. So I really like this. It gives this illusion of I've just come back from the beach, I'm so shimmery. It gives you that, you know, like that sun-kissed, just very beautiful glowy look that we all are so desperately craving but cannot have because Miss Rona refuses to leave. Some people refuse to sit in the house, but that's neither here nor there. So I like it. I think it's really pretty. You could wear it when you're going to the beach. You can wear it if you're taking nice pictures. I would definitely recommend wearing something that clothes are not going to touch this because it's going to transfer onto your clothes. There's no doubt about that. Like, I press my hand and I mean, it's on my palm. It doesn't transfer too much, but I just press my palm and it's all right here. So just something to keep in mind. Like if you're planning on wearing a white maxi dress, you probably shouldn't. Yeah, just helpful little tidbits. And this is also a product that you can use on your face. It's face and body liquefied highlighter. So if you're not going for the, you know, Beyonce goddess sun-kissed, like beautiful look, then you can use it on your face and, you know, on your Cupid's bow, down the bridge of your nose, you know, underneath your eyebrows, on the high points of your cheekbones, whatever you want to do. I chose not to do it because I just wanted to see how it looked on the body and I'm craving a vacation very badly. So I think that this looks really good. Again, the only thing for me, it's not a deal breaker for me, but I know for some people it will be, is that smell. It smells like vanilla, caramel, mocha. It smells like that. It smells like baked goods, coffee type of smell. So for some people that might be off-putting to me. I don't really care. But just wanted you guys to know that there's a scent. A little bit of this product does go a long way. And yeah, it's overall, it's good. It's good for me. And another thing that I should mention is that I don't typically care for liquid highlighters on the face. I like powder. I like liquid foundations, but I like powder products when it comes to blush and highlighter, contour. I prefer powder products. So that's just a me thing. I feel like if I had tried this on my face, I wouldn't have liked it, but on the body, I think that it looks excellent. So just wanted to do something a little bit different for you guys. If you guys are looking for something to give you that glow, if you are taking pictures for the gram and you want to look like you're sun-kissed, but you have been social distancing and staying in the house, this is definitely it. So again, this is the Becca Ignite Liquified Light Highlighter that is a tongue twister. This is in the shade Strength. You can find it at Ulta, Sephora, and on the Becca website. I'll make sure that I link everything down in the description box below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more makeup related videos from me, definitely comment that down below. Be more than happy to do that for you. And yeah, that's all that I have for you guys. This should be a quick video, but we'll see. Yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.